focus on the yellow dot.
Oh.
Alright.
Just need to go forward a little more.
Oh shit.
That was actually a really good spot though, for what it's worth.
Well, that's what I'm thinking. If I hit it kind of at this angle, I might be able to really get the spin. A bit more like that.
Nope. And now it's spinning.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Ooh. Oh, that's not good.
What did you say? So, you want to spin more? Oh, yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna get that second.
And I was going to say, and now it's really spinning.
Woo! Go, baby, go.
Hold on. When you
Go,
want to take
baby,
that off.
go. I want to do a full 360. Oh, it's dying. It's
That's like,
losing
oh,
ass.
God.
It's losing ass.
Wait, it's getting
Oh,
back
I'm
the other
coming
way.
back.
Because it's set. The switch. Oh, that's priceless.
It's just, yeah. I was crying earlier, baby.
And now back the other way.
Alright. So I'm gonna arm. And here.
You're pointing towards the kitchen.
Alright, yeah, I don't know.
Swamp cooler.
Alright, so I'm facing the blue curtains. The blade is towards the swamp cooler. Alright, we're gonna arm. I'm gonna try to yaw.
Okay, you're just about at where the island is.
Am I at the edge? Like, where am I in regards to the whole...
You're only like a half an inch off
Right.
of the edge.
I'm pitching forward.
Okay.
Am I making the fan spin? Nope, I'm falling.
I was like, no.
Oh my god, yeah, that was fucking awesome.
Oh.
You're getting pretty good at that. Hit it and quit it.
Yeah, I was gonna say, but it's not spinning. Okay, you're spinning.
Oh god.
It's okay.
Oh, I am dangling
I
way...
know you are.
I
It's
am
okay.
way off the edge. Oh, I'm gonna get sick. Oh,
That's gonna make for such a
no,
better
like I'm
video.
gonna get... Oh.
So hold on, you're at the TV.
Oh, that's nauseating, baby. I'm like
I
this.
know.
Oh.
It's gonna make for such better video though.
Holy shit, I'm fucking dangling.
I know.
Oh, when I arm, am I gonna bang the shit out of the props? Oh, that made me nauseous. Oh. Alright, we're gonna bring this one in, fellas. I would say this was a success.